Homeboys in the city. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an FC Mobile 2024 hack for your phone. So as you can see, we got 99,999 my gamer community. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited everything. So it's really easy, guys. The first step is to go onto this website called zoomods.com. Okay, so let me just type that in for you guys. But it's really a cool website. So once you're on this site, guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in FC, and as you can see, it says FC Mobile 2024 mod. So just press on that, and now we're just gonna wait for it to download. So you just gotta be patient, basically, and it will download onto your phone. So as you can see, it's downloading right now. So yeah, it's really simple, and that's how you can get unlimited everything in FC Mobile 2024, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, but yeah, this is the fully working method. So it's pretty cool, as you can see. So I'm not going to download it again because I already did it, but it works fine. I mean, you don't have to pay anyone anything or anything like that. It's just like straightforward, as you can see. So yeah, peace out. This is super cool, and it's totally working and everything. So yeah, as you can see, I got unlimited money, which is really weird, but hey, it works. So peace out. This is super cool. And yeah, I mean, as you can see, I have a couple different mod menu settings, such as unlimited gems, unlimited FIFA points, unlimited universal token, and also there's unlimited stats and unlock battle pass. So overall, I would say it's a pretty complete mod, and I really like it. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, peace out, guys. This is super cool and totally works. So yeah, as you can see, I'm really rich, guys. So hope you enjoyed.